Merry Christmas, Junior. Is that one yours?
Yeah. Not stapled.
Well, rip it open. What's in it?
What is it?
Turn it over.
Oh, cool. You can paint in it.
Yeah.
There's something else.
Yeah, there's more.
There's something else I really wanted for Christmas. Oh, cool. Ben Kidman. No. Hey, this is the same thing you got me.
It's a different one. It says, I wish. But did you check your stocking stuffers from Santa Claus? Santa Claus filled up the stocking. Oh, what is that?
I don't know. It's not.
Is there anything else in there?
Oh, here's my hand.
All the way down at the bottom.
Oh, there is. I missed it. Oh, wait, a light bulb.
It's a light up lollipop light bulb. It's a lollipop, yeah. Yay! Candy and toys. Merry Christmas, Junior. I love you.